The Give Receipt widget prints a return receipt form against any donations made by a user. The interface is simple and easy to understand. To help your visitors more, you can add both error and success messages here. On the Content tab, each of the switchers shows or hides related info on the display. On the Style tab, you can customize the color of text as well as the background for the header and content body. You have two separate sections to do that easily. Note that the body part has a color stripe option. It actually boosts the visible appearance. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.